The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The wisdom that we experience has no boundary or center. It is the unspeakable mirror of our awareness. The way that we look at it is the way that it is clear. To those who open awareness's door of coins with a magical key, we show a blazing heap of jewels. We play in the treasure of the treasury of the sky. The good works that are methods for the doors to the vehicles are separate doors through which we rope in what we want. An accounting of the ways of our preferences would be inconceivable. No matter which methodical good works we have been taught, this will be clarified at the door of self-originating awareness, as if it followed upon the deeds we have done. Whatever we engage in, all good works without exception are perfected in a single moment in self-luminous awareness. We dwell with the intent of self-liberating awareness. Through the doors of awareness that seeks, we become engaged in this and that, and employ ourselves on a path of ideas. We become attached to definitions, so the instructions of empowerment follow the trails of definitions for ideas. We lose the intent of self-luminous awareness. We engage ourselves in the way of word sounds for symbols, and we continue on through the 9 renowned abodes of samsara. When we engage ourselves along the trails of each and every thing, we enter onto the pathway of samsara's definitions. With attachments to the left and right, all our instructions turn us away from our objective, great happiness. We lose the light of transcendent wisdom. We are lost in the fog and are totally in the shadows. Like blind men showing the road to the blind, we toss off the intent of self-luminous wisdom, and then seek wisdom, wanting to succeed. We attach duality to the significance of non-duality. We cling to visualizations of objectives that are not to be visualized. We use our own desires to view the wisdom of awareness that has no position. We are turned backwards. We are in contradiction with the intent of the good works of unsought awareness, not being achieved through searching. Ideas that follow the trails of the clear light of equanimity, which is not to be engaged in, turn us backwards.